We see these hands and finger postures all around us. In fact, if you notice, the human body automatically assumes such postures without any prompting. This is the subtle and very interesting world of mudras. Mudra therapy, the science of healing through finger postures, was devised by Indian sages and is based on the premise that the human body being made of five basic elements: earth, water, fire, air, and sky, and the five fingers of our hand representing these five elements, and each one is related to one particular element. Mudras have been a part of Indian spiritual practice for eons and have been used extensively in Indian dance forms, in religious rituals, meditations, yoga, pranayam, and by the therapist to heal patients.